What's up, internet? It's Jonathan. I'm out here at my property, my first duplex that you have seen me make content about for the last year and a half. I actually had both units rented out to great tenants at great rates, and then we had the flood. You can see the flood waters, how high they were here. My house is far from the worst in the neighborhood. My neighbor over here, he lost 2 cars, 2 trailers, a boat, a garage. His house filled up to his waist level in the house because he's right on the river there. House completely destroyed inside, and the devastation is not nearly as bad as some areas, but it is definitely serious. Both my tenants have moved out, understandably, but they moved out, and so no rent's coming in right now. And I'm out here right now with my insurance adjuster trying to get insurance claim put together. Thank God I had flood insurance. And pro tip, if you do not have flood insurance and you are in a flood zone, number one, probably should talk to a different mortgage lender because they should require you to have flood insurance. But if you do have a loan already, if you do already own a property, even if it's paid off, take it from these folks in this area that are elderly, that have had their houses paid off. If you're in a flood zone, pay for freaking flood insurance, man, because if you don't, the flood comes through, you're screwed. Your homeowner's policy is not going to help you like a flood policy will. So I highly recommend it. I'm trying to deal with the freaking damage in this house right now. Both units molding. There were up 3-4 inches of water inside the house. Once again, could be much worse, but ugh, it stinks. It's disgusting. Dust, mud, nastiness, all brand new cabinets. All brand new cabinets in this apartment. Ruined. It's crazy.